Ladies and gentlemen, you're the most welcome to CEC Less Than a Minute. In this video, we're gonna see the 3 different situations where we can use the verb wear. Wear, W-E-A-R. So let's start with the first situation in order to say put clothes on or get dressed. Okay, so we say wear clothes. Or in the second situation, we use wear about makeup. Put on some makeup is wear makeup. Okay, and then the third situation, it's about cologne or perfume. So we say wear cologne or wear perfume. Well, I hope you got that. Thank you for watching.